Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun one. We are doing an unboxing and these are the Oden's Eye mystery boxes. Now I'm pretty sure you say it like Oden's because I've heard Agnieszka say it like that, and I used her discount code as well, which is just Agnieszka, and I got 10% off these boxes. So the prices on these were 25 for the smaller box, and it is meant to be double in value, and then 55 euros for the bigger box, and again that's meant to be double in value. The shipping was free, which was pretty cool. I think this is a Swedish brand, but they were shipped from Hong Kong. I ordered them on the 4th and it's the 13th today, so pretty quick international shipping. So I only saw one spoiler online and they got 2 lip products and 3 palettes, so if that's, you know, what's in here, you know, it's good going. So this is the smaller box first. So first up we have a brush. This is a double-ended brush. You kind of have like more of a flat brush on this side and then more of like a fluffy powder brush on this side, and this one doesn't have a number on it, so I can't tell you which brush this is. Then next product is a lip stain, a cream lip stain. The packaging is really pretty and it is in the shade Poppy Girl. So let's have a look at this. So they did say that if you were to buy the small and the big box, there could unfortunately be crossover of products, but they will try and make it so that they don't. Like, if you know the person is packing, it will try and get you different things. Okay, so we're inside the packaging now, and I haven't got my nails on at the moment, which is good. So, well, you would think I still can't get into these boxes. Okay, we are in. Wow, the packaging on this is amazing. So this is a cream lip stain and it's like in that darker colour. That is not a shade that I will wear. Anything that I won't wear or that is duplicated will go on my Depop, so I will link that in the description box, and you can get some bargains because obviously these are going to be selling at less than retail. And then the third product in here is a palette. Now this is the Alva 2 highlight palette. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so the packaging is so cute and it's kind of like one of those holographic kind of things where you get like blues and different colours. Really pretty, and that one looks like so glittery. All of these shades are pretty wearable for me as well, which is great. So the smaller box, which was 25 euros, we've got the highlight palette, we've got the cream lip stain and the brush. Okay, so moving on to the bigger box now. So I'm hoping for an eyeshadow palette. There are quite a few things in here. There is a lipstick. So this is the Kiss of Fairy lipstick. It is so pretty. This is in the shade Brown Rose. So 10 out of 10 for packaging. And it's like a ready with like a brown undertone, I would say, to it. Okay, so next item is another one of those lip stains. This is the matte lip stain in the shade Purple Perfect Plum. So this is the colour. I mean, it's lovely and like 10 out of 10 for the packaging, but it's just not my colour. But I do understand that with mystery boxes they do put things that are like not their best sellers and like things that might not sell as well. So yeah, that's another lip stain. Okay, so we have an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Alva 2 Mini Ocean palette. Now I have seen some of the mini palettes. There was a really cute one with like some olive colours in there and I really wanted that one, but I've got this blue one instead. So this is, yeah, the Mini Ocean palette, and it looks like this. So I don't want to take this off just in case I decide not to keep it, but there are some blue shades there, then really cool metallic ones in the middle, and then a couple of mattes. So yeah, really pretty. I have another brush. So this is an eye brush. Kind of looks like a small pencil brush on one end and then like a kind of contoured crease brush on the other end. Again, there's no like names or numbers on these, so I can't tell you what brush it is. Okay, so 2 things here. So there is the Solomane highlighter palette, so another highlighter palette. I wish there'd have been like another palette in there, not gonna lie. Okay, so let's open this one, the Solomane palette. Ooh, so this actually reminds me of that Huda highlight palette. Let's see if I can take this off. There we go. So you've got like a champagne colour, like a white with a blue reflect, a pinky rose, and then another like kind of goldy champagne shade. Then we have the Solomane eyeshadow palette. Now I did see a spoiler on Instagram. There was like literally one post about what people had got, like nobody else must have received their boxes yet, and there were some really pretty eyeshadow palettes. So let's have a look which one this one is. Okay, so let's slide this out. Oh, now this is actually the one I was hoping for. So it's like neutral, and then it's got that pop of purple. So look at that shade there. How pretty is that one? And then that metallic as well. Really nice wearable colours. So yeah, I really like this one. So the €55 large box, we've got the Solomane eyeshadow palette. We've got the small Alva 2 palette, nearly dropped that then. We've got the Solomane highlighter palette. We have got the lip stain. We've got the lipstick. And we have got the brush. Overall, I think it's like good value for money, but I don't know, I wish I'd have got different shades in mine, but you can't, you know, you can't pick with a mystery box. It's just whatever you get. But I think for someone who is like open to like a range of colours, I think you get like a really good, you know, variety of stuff, because you know, I've got 6 items in here, so, and they're not cheap as well because they are an indie brand. So thanks for watching my video today. If there's anything I do decide to sell, I will put it on Depop, so check that in the description box, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.